Well, you were all right.
Yeah, I said.
But you went to the doctor, though.
No, I haven't been to her yet. I have to phone and go and
I
see
thought
her.
you were going to her.
I was going to, but I haven't.
7 swans swimming.
7 swans, okay.
Table number 7.
7 swans. We're doing the 12.
Lucky 7.
Our thing these before. It's music and memories, and it's sponsored by the Hazel McCallion Fund. So that's why you have to do the little survey at the end. 'Cause Santa Claus is back in town. Yeah.
Santa Claus.
For Deck the Halls.
Woohoo!
Okay, well I am.
I miss that. I miss that deck the halls.
Yeah, it was good.
New jokes, okay? So you're
Jesus Christ is born. Jesus Christ is born.
Potatoes with gravy, and the gravy is gluten-free. You know, we have bean salads with vegetarians. I can do up one of the Eve's things. I just kind of needed to know how many people vegetarian. 1, 2.
Oh, the potatoes are hot.
Are they?
They've got a new one.
Yeah, you just come out of the. What's that you got?
Your apple pie? Ice cream with it's just whipped cream.
Well, put peas on.
All right.
Why they have ice cream? Yes, please. She forgot to ask for whipped cream. Thanks. Okay.
Can I get?
Now I shall go and get my pie. Oh, yeah?
Potatoes look cold, the veggies look cold. The meat, oh, the meat was cold, but then I can eat it.
Sorry, but
If I could have your quiet for this one.
okay.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 gold